Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on May 2024. 4-star Sudoku. Fourth row and fifth row we have pair numbers 4 and 7. So 4 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. Column D we have 7. So 7 can't come. This will summation from here. Then 4 is here. Then fifth grade we have 1 and 5. So 1 and 5 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then fifth row, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 3, 6, it will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then fifth grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 8 and 9, column F, B of 8. So it can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here, then 9 is here. Sixth row, column A, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells, then 3 is confirmed here. Column E, column D, we have 7. 7 can't come these cells, then 7 is confirmed here. Seventh row, column F, B of 2. So 2 can't come these cells, then 2 is confirmed here. 8th row we have 6, so 6 can't come in the cell, 6 will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then 7th row and 8th row we get pair numbers 2 and 6. So 2 and 6 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. The 9th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 8, 9. Column A we have 3 and 8. So 3 and 8 can't come this cell. It will come in one of these cells. Column C we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 9th row, only one number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. Column D, third row we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Sixth row, first row and second row we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Sixth row we have 5. So 5 can't come this cell. 5 will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. First row, second row, column H we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Column A, second row we have 8. So it can't come these cells. Column C also we have 8. So it can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. First grade, we have 5, 8, 9. The three numbers can't come in this cell. It will come in one of the 3 cells. We will confirm later. Then third row, only one number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. Column A, column C, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Sixth row, we have 2 and 6. So 2 and 6 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then fourth row, only one number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. Fourth grade, we have 5, so I can't come in the cell 5 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then fourth grade, only one number is remaining, 9, 9 is confirmed here. Then column C, two numbers are remaining, 1 and 5. Second row, we have 1, so 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then first grade, two numbers are remaining, 7 and 9. Column A, we have 9, so 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. First row, three numbers are remaining, 5, 8, 9. It will come in one of these cells. Column G, column I, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Then the two numbers are remaining, 5 and 8. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column B, two numbers are remaining, 7 and 5. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Seventh grade. On column A, two numbers are remaining, 1 and 4. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Sixth row, on sixth grade, two numbers are remaining, 1 and 8. Column G, we have 1, so 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column G, we have 8, so it can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column G, column I, we have pair numbers 1 and 8. So 1 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. 8th row, we have 8, so it can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. 8th row, we have 1, so 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column I, 8th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come. Sorry. 9th grade. 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 7, 5. Column I, we get 3 and 7. So 3 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. The 9th grade, only one number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. Then column I, only one number is remaining. Sorry, 2 and column I, two numbers are remaining, 2 and 6. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. 7th row, we have 5, so I can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. 7th row, we have 7, so 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 8th row, only one number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. 5th grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 3, 6. Column F, we have 2 and 3. So 2 and 3 can't come in this cell, it will come in one of these cells. Column D, we have 3, so 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 5th grade, on 5th row, only one number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. Then column F, only one number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. Then 8th grade, on 7th row, two numbers are remaining, 6 and 9. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Second row, three numbers are remaining, 2, 6, 7. Column D, we have 7, so 7 can't come in the cell. Then 7 is confirmed here. Then second row, two numbers are remaining, 2 and 6. Column D, we have 2, so 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column I, we have 2, so 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column G, we have 2, so 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then third grade, only one number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. Second grade, and third row, two numbers are remaining, 5 and 9. Column E, we have 5, so 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Column E, we have 9, so 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share in this video. Thank you very much.